a cloud platform for supermarkets that provides data-driven temperature monitoring and management.
Our Alsense cloud platform helps retailers reduce food waste by up to 30% and reduce energy by up to 15%.
Det er godt for effektiviteten, og det er fantastisk for miljøet.
This has made Danfoss the winner of the category Sustainability of the Intelligent Manufacturing Award of Microsoft and Roland Berger. 1/3 of food produced globally is wasted, a lot of it in supermarkets. Danfoss is determined to change that. The Danish multinational is a global leader in energy efficiency solutions for refrigeration, air conditioning and heating. At its headquarters in Nordborg, Denmark, Danfoss is pioneering sustainable energy management.
We make profitable sustainability possible. With our Alsense cloud platform, we enable supermarkets to waste less time, less food and less energy. And we do that by making more sense of data.
Lars Andersen owns this and 12 other stores. Monitoring all the fridges while running the shop is impossible for the staff.
Hvis strømmen går et sted, så brænder lyset, kasseapparaterne de kører, men butikschefen har ikke nogen anelse om, at kølerne er nede. Det vil betyde, at alle de friske varer de går tabt, og det vil være et stort økonomisk tab for mig, og det vil være en rigtig dårlig oplevelse for vores kunder.
In his supermarket, Danfoss brings together the newest hardware and software to test the innovations of Alsense.
To reduce food waste, it's important that the fridges and the cold rooms are monitored thoroughly.
That's helped by Alsense being accessible via an iPad.
So the store manager can see the average temperature trend for all of the fridges in the store. He can identify if anything has been overcooled, which is the potential for energy waste, or undercooled, which has the risk of food loss.
Additionally, Danfoss makes operations efficient. It provides remote monitoring 24/7 every day of the year. The team here can correct minor settings remotely and informs the local staff if action must be taken in the shop.
Alsense, det er min 24 timers overvågning, og det giver mig ro i maven. Uden Alsense, der vil jeg simpelthen ikke kunne drive mine butikker effektivt.
If the fault can't be fixed by the staff, an external technician is alerted via the Alsense dashboard. She accesses the in-store controller platform in real time, finds the root cause and fixes the problem. In only 5% of alarms, the technician must visit the site. Optimizing energy efficiency is another great benefit of Alsense.
Alsense, det giver mig et overblik på tværs af mine butikker. Jeg kan identificere, hvis det er sådan, en af mine butikker bruger for meget energi, eller der er en lækage.
And the system contributes to the overall green energy transition.
Alsense enables automatic load shedding. It receives a signal from the utility supplier, typically when renewable energy is low, so it automatically reduces the consumption for that specified period of time.
We accelerate sustainability and increase profits at the same time. By making sense of data, Alsense not only cut food waste and energy, it enables net zero supermarkets. And that contributes to an overall greener society.
As a result, Danfoss with the Alsense platform has won the sustainability category of the Microsoft Intelligent Manufacturing Award.